we learn about Indian Constitution. Okay. So now open your book, page number 7, and read the title of the chapter. Chapter number 7 is Indian Women Politicians. Now, in that, read the instruction given below. Choose the right answers and from few and given in the box. क्या है इंस्ट्रक्शन कि जो आंसर्स हमें ब्रैकेट में दिए गए हैं उनको लेके हमें नीचे दिए गए फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स फिलअप करने हैं. ओके. ये लेसन किसके बारे में है? इंडियन वुमेन पॉलिटिशियंस, यानी कि जो महिलाएं पॉलिटिशियन के साथ जुड़ी हुई थी उनके बारे में बात की गई है. ओके. So the questions are given. You have to write answer on your right side. So ready with your pencil. We are going to do exercise. Answer number 1. Answer number 1 is, read the question. She was the first woman president of India. क्या है क्वेश्चन कि वो फर्स्ट वुमन प्रेसिडेंट थी. कौन थी? फर्स्ट वुमन प्रेसिडेंट कौन था? प्रतिभा देवी सिंह पाटिल. कौन था? प्रतिभा देवी सिंह पाटिल. सो राइट डाउन द आंसर. प्रतिभा PRATIBHA प्रतिभा देवी सिंह DEVISINGH सिंह पाटिल क्या था? So the correct answer is Pratibha Devi Singh Patil. Okay. So now number 2. She is known as the BSP Supremo. क्या है? She is known as क्या किस नाम से जाने जाते हैं? BSP Supremo. कौन है इनमें से? मायावती. So the correct answer is मायावती. MAY Maya WATI Vati. Okay. Now answer number 3. Answer number 3. Question is, she was the 5-time chief minister of Tamil Nadu. वो 5 बार चीफ मिनिस्टर रह चुकी है. किनकी? तमिलनाडु की. She died in the cardiac arrest on 5th December 2016. उनकी मौत कार्डियक अरेस्ट में हुई थी. कब हुई थी? 5th दिसंबर 2016. तो किनकी मौत 5 दिसंबर 2016 को हुई थी और चीफ मिनिस्टर कौन थी तमिलनाडु की? जयराम जयललिता. सो द आंसर इज जयराम JYARAM जयराम जयललिता. JAYLALITHA Lalita. Okay. So the correct answer is Jairam Jayalalitha. Then number 4. Read the question given below. She was the chief minister of Delhi for 15 consecutive years. कौन थी? इतने सारे साल किन्होंने चीफ मिनिस्टर की पदवी पर बैठे थे? कौन थे? शैला दीक्षित. So the answer is शैला SHEILA शैला दीक्षित DIKSHIT Dixit. Okay. So the correct answer is शैला दीक्षित. Now number 5. Read the question. A woman of foreign origin who is serving as a president of Indian National Congress. कौन थी? कौन सी वुमन है जो कहाँ की है? फॉरेन ऑरिजिन, यानी कि फॉरेन से है और वो प्रेसिडेंट कहाँ की है? इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस की प्रेसिडेंट है और वो उनका ऑरिजिन यानी कि वो कौन सी जगह से है? वो फॉरेन से है. तो वो शी इज सोनिया गांधी. So the answer is Sonia 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 Gandhi GANDHI Sonia Gandhi. Then number 6. number 6. The question is, she is a former Supreme Court lawyer and the first woman Chief Minister of Delhi. वो कौन थी? सुप्रीम कोर्ट की लॉयर थी और कौन है? सुप्रीम कोर्ट की लॉयर है और कौन थी? फर्स्ट वुमन चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ दिल्ली. कहाँ की चीफ मिनिस्टर है? पहली कौन कहाँ की है? दिल्ली की. सो द आंसर इज सुषमा स्वराज. क्या आंसर आएगा? सुषमा SUSHMA सुषमा स्वराज. SWARAJ स्वराज. Okay. So now number 7. The question is, she is regarded as Didi of West Bengal. सब वेस्ट बंगाल में उनको किस नाम से पुकारते हैं? दीदी. She is the first woman chief minister of West Bengal. वो कौन थे जो फर्स्ट वुमन चीफ मिनिस्टर है? कौन है वो? जो फर्स्ट वुमन चीफ मिनिस्टर थे और उनको किस नाम से बुलाया जाता है? दीदी के नाम से. तो द आंसर इज ममता बनर्जी. ममता MAMTA ममता बनर्जी. BANERJEE Banerjee. Okay. So now number 8. Answer number 8. She is the first woman speaker of Lok Sabha. वो कौन है जो फर्स्ट वुमन स्पीकर? कौन है? मीरा कुमार. MEIRA मीरा कुमार. So the correct answer is Meera Kumar. Then number 9. Number 9 is, she is the Minister of Textile of India. वो कौन है जो Minister of Textile of India and who was former television actress and producer. वो कौन है? स्मृति ईरानी. क्या आएगा आंसर? स्मृति ईरानी. So the spelling is SMIRTI. स्मृति ईरानी. IRANI ईरानी. Okay. Then number 10. Number 10 is, she became the first woman chief minister of Rajasthan in 2003. 2003 में जो पहली चीफ मिनिस्टर बनी थी वो कौन थी? वसुंधरा राजे. So the answer is वसुंधरा राजे. VASUNDHARA वसुंधरा राजे. Okay. So these are the answers of your chapter number 7. Copy it fast. Afterwards we will do the revision of these questions and afterwards we will start the new chapter. the board first. We are going to revise this first. Afterwards, we will start the new one. Number 1 is she was the first woman president of India. कौन है जो फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया? कौन महिला थी जो फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट वुमेन ऑफ इंडिया? कौन थी? प्रतिभा देवी सिंह पाटिल. So the answer is Pratibha Devi Singh Patil. Then next one, she is known as BSP Supremo. कौन BSP Supremo के नाम से जाना जाता था? So the answer is Mayawati. Then number 3, she was the 5-time Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. She died on the cardiac arrest on 5th December 2016. वो 5 बार, कितनी बार? 5 times she will become a Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. कौन थी वो? Jayaraman Jayalalitha. So the answer is Jayaraman Jayalalitha. Then number 4, she was the Chief Minister of Delhi for 15 consecutive years. वो 15 सालों तक Chief Minister of कौन से? दिल्ली की Chief Minister रह चुकी है. कौन है वो? Sheila Dikshit. So the answer is Sheila Dikshit. Now number 5. Number 5 is a woman of foreign origin who is serving as the President of Indian National Congress. कौन है जो फॉरेन ओरिजिन से है और प्रेसिडेंट कहाँ की है? इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस की प्रेसिडेंट है. सो द आंसर इज सोनिया गांधी. देन नंबर 6. Number 6 is she is a former Supreme Court lawyer and first woman Chief Minister of Delhi. वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट की लॉयर थी और फर्स्ट चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ दिल्ली. कौन थी वो? कौन है? सुषमा स्वराज. So the correct answer is Sushma Swaraj. Then number 7. Number 7 is she is regarded as Didi in West Bengal. उनको सब दीदी के नाम से पुकारते हैं. She is the first woman chief minister of West Bengal. वो फर्स्ट वुमेन चीफ मिनिस्टर थी. कहाँ की? वेस्ट बंगाल की. तो कौन है? ममता बनर्जी. So the correct answer is Mamata Banerjee. Then number 8. Number 8 is she is the first woman speaker of Lok Sabha. वो फर्स्ट वुमेन स्पीकर थी. कहाँ की? लोक सभा की. कौन था वो? मीरा कुमार. So the answer is मीरा कुमार. Then number 9. She is the Minister of Textile of India who was formed television actress and producer. वो टेक्सटाइल मिनिस्टर थी. कहाँ की? इंडिया की. And who was former television actress and producer. वो पहले फेमस एक्ट्रेस भी थी और प्रोड्यूसर भी थी. तो कौन है? स्मृति ईरानी. So the answer is Smriti Irani. Then the last one, number 10. She became the first woman chief minister of Rajasthan in 2003. वो पहली महिला थी जो चीफ मिनिस्टर थी. कहाँ की? राजस्थान की. In which year? In 2003. Who is she? She is Vasundhara Raje. So the answer is Vasundhara Raje. So these are the answers of your chapter number 7. Now we are going to do our next chapter. So turn the page number 8. Read the given title of the chapter. Chapter number 8. Chapter number 8. Read the given title. India under British rule. India under British. Okay, the title is India under British rule. क्या सीखेंगे हम इसमें? We learn about the rules and the activities happened during British rule. Okay, so the instruction is given below. Read the instruction, choose the correct option for each of the following. क्या करना है? We have to just tick mark on the correct option. Okay, so now I am going to write the answer on in the board. You just have to tick mark in your book. Number 1 is Battle of Buxar was fought in Battle of Buxar. वो कौन सी साल में लड़ा गया था? In which year? In 1964. So the answer is C. 1964. Then number 2. East India Company was formed in number 2. East India Company was formed in वो कब शुरू हुई? In 1600. A. The answer is A. 1600. Then number 3. First Anglo-Mysore War was fought in first कौन सी war? Anglo-Mysore War. कब लड़ी गई थी? In which year? In 1767. So the answer is B. 1767. Then number 4. First Anglo-Maratha War. कौन सी war? First Anglo-Maratha War was fought during which years? Between 1775 to 1782. So the correct answer is C. You have to tick mark on C. The answer is 1775 to 1782. Okay. Then number 5. 5 is Rohilla War. क्या है? Rohilla War कब लड़ी गई थी? Which year? In 1774. So the answer is 1774. So you have to tick mark on option D. Then number 6. First Afghan War was fought during which years? Between 1836, 1839 to 1842. Okay? कौन सी war? Afghan War was fought during which years? 1839 to 1842. Then number 7. 7 one is Anglo-Gurkha War was fought in 1814 to 1816. So the answer is A. 1814 to 1816. Then number 8. First Anglo-Sikh War was fought in which years? In A. 1845 to 1846. Okay. Then number 9. साथ जुड़ा हुआ है? सो द आंसर इज ए, लॉर्ड वेल्सले। Then number 11. The doctrine of Leipzig was associated with doctrine of Leipzig. इनके साथ जुड़ा हुआ है? So the answer is B, Lord Dalhousie. Lord Dalhousie. Okay. Then number 12. The first Governor General of British India was कौन है? कौन थे first Governor General? Warren Hastings. So the answer is D. You have to tick mark on option D. Warren Hastings. Warren Hastings. Okay. Then number 13. Number 13 is the Spiromuthy is Bradford is associated with so answer is Mangal Pandey, Mangal Mangal Pandey. Okay. Then number 14. Number 14 is the famous Iron Parade, which was held in 1945 to 1946. Took place in which place? At Red Fort. So the answer is C, Red Fort. Then the last one, the Caliphate movement was initiated by Sukhat Ali, Muhammad Ali. C, both A and B and D none. तो कौन सा आंसर आएगा? C, both A and okay. So these are the answers of your chapter number 8. Mark it fast. Afterwards we will revise it. Now look at the board first. We will do a quick revision of it. Read the question. Battle of Buxar was fought in 1766, 1746, 1764 or 1744. In which year? So the answer is C, in 1764. Battle of Buxar कौन से ईयर में लड़ा गया था? In 1764. Then number 2, East India Company was formed in East India Company कब फॉर्म हुई थी? In 1600. कौन सा है? तो आंसर क्या आएगा? A, 1600. Then number 3, First Anglo-Mysore War was fought in Anglo-Mysore War कब लड़ी गई थी? पहले in 1767. Okay, so the option is B. Number 4, First Anglo-Maratha War was fought during First Anglo-Maratha War कब लड़ी गई थी? During 1775 to 1782. So you have to take mark on option C. Then number 5, Rohilla War. कौन सी war? Rohilla War was fought in which year? In 1774. So the answer is D, 1774. Then number 6, First Afghan War was fought during which years? In 1839 and 1842. So the answer is 1839 and 1842. You have to take mark on option C. Then number 7, Anglo-Gurkha War was fought in which years? In 1814 to 1816. So you have to take mark on option A. Okay. So now number 8. Number 8 is First Anglo-Sikh War. कौन सी war? Anglo-Sikh War. वो कब लड़ी गई थी? In 1845 to 1846. So the correct option is option number A. Okay. Then number 9, Pindri War took place in Pindri. Pindri War कब हुई थी? In 1817 to 1818. So the correct answer is C. Then number 10, the subsidiary aliens was associated with subsidiary aliens किनके साथ associated है? तो the answer is Lord Wesley. So the correct option is A, Lord Wesley. Then number 11, the doctrine of Lapsi was associated with Lord Dalhousie. So the correct option is B, Lord Dalhousie. Now turn the page. Number 12 is the first Governor General of British India was कौन थे? First Governor General British India के Warren Hastings. कौन थे? Warren Hastings. So the correct answer is D. Then number 13, the Spoy Mutiny is Breakover is associated with Mangal Pandey. So the correct answer is Mangal Pandey. The famous INA trial which was held in 1946 took place in जो पहली INA trial थी वो जब 1945 to 1946 के बीच में हुई थी वो कहाँ हुई थी? In Red Fort. तो the correct answer is Red Fort. Option number C. Then number 15, the Khalifate movement was initiated by Khalifate movement किसने initiate की थी? तो Shaukat Ali and Muhammad Ali. So the correct answer is C, both A and B. Okay. In the book नीचे हमें ना ये पिक्चर्स दिए गए हैं वो वॉर के हैं और जिन्होंने ये वॉर में कुछ अच्छा काम किया था और उनके बारे में लिखा गया है तो उनके भी पिक्चर्स दिए गए हैं. ओके, so you have to just learn it. Okay, we are ending our lecture here. In the next lecture we learn about know your country. Okay, we are going to learn about our country. Till the next lecture, have a nice day.